Here and tutorial we are gonna see what this Python tutorial will gonna offer you this time. Okay, so this will be our first tutorial on our YouTube channel. Please do subscribe it. Okay. Coming back to Python, what Python is, it's just a programming language which is used for normal compilation or doing the basic programs or any web development package programs. Okay, so coming back to the IDE which you are using in this case will be IDE for Python. Okay, just do a normal Google search of IDE Python. First website will be python.org.in. Okay, python.org.in, it will take you to this page. And at the time of making this video, it is 3.8.5 version. Okay, so just click on it. It will just ask you download. I already have one downloaded, so I'll make that. Okay, so let's see where it is. Yeah, double click on it, and I already have installed it. So I'm gonna go. I would recommend you are not a beginner with Python and you know what Python actually is, and then you have a programming language learn Python. You are a developer, like you have used HTML, CSS, Flutter languages. I prefer Visual Studio Code. It's also an editor. It's an IDE. Okay? The difference between an IDE and IDE, the full form and the features. Ideally is an learning environment. It's called integrated development learning environment, wherein you can go with learning. Whereas your Visual Studio Code is for a complete developers who know what developing a website or software is. Okay, who have been in this field for the past couple of months or and year. Okay, I would recommend them to go with this Visual Studio Code. Now, when referring this is light, and you can run any number of programming languages. You can see a Python, Gitlang is kind of a GitHub support, and C++, and you can have HTML, JavaScript, CSS, C#, even Python also you can do in this. Okay, so even you can do your app coding, but I would recommend app coding, app development for using Android Studio Code. It gives you an emulated kind of thing. Okay, we will learn all of these things in the upcoming years or upcoming months. Okay, so we'll upload all the tutorials. So I think the installation done. That's done. So let's get to the installation part. Okay, so it's this thing is very important, that adding Python 3.8 to your path. Without that, your IDE is not gonna work. I would recommend customized installation for those who are running out of space in C drive. I would recommend the customized installation, which I'm gonna do this. Click next, and I'm gonna browse my locations. Just or I'm gonna keep it in D drive. I'll keep it in installations. Just run this, and till the time installation gets completed, I want to show you what Python offers in web development. Okay, so Python, the web development framework, which is supported by Django. Django is like a medium between HTML and your Python backend, in the front end and the backend. Right? Consider it in this way: when you eat your food, it goes to your mouth. That mouth is your front end. And what happens when it goes through your mouth to your stomach, nobody knows except you. Okay? Until someone has learned about it, and considering someone has learned about it, nobody knows what happens when it goes inside. Only the person who's eating will know what's happening inside. In the same way, the person who developed this particular website, let's take Django's website as an example. When I click on overview, I don't know where these contents came from. It can be databases or it can be typed one. Okay, in the same way, downloads, also documentations. These are all the things which are coming from the backend. Even the news, which has to be updated each and every second or each and every day. Okay, latest was September 4th in 2020. These kind of things have to be updated daily or in a second or a daily basis. This kind of thing will be done for the backend and anything which kind of API or any databases, right? So setup has been done. Close it. So sequence this through. And see how. Just check whether it's installed or not. Just open your command prompt and come for administrator. Just type in Python hyphen version. If the version given installed and the version displayed here matches, that means installation is correct. Now let's quickly go through what ideally is. Okay, so if you open a minute, yeah, this is the IDE which we'll be using for this tutorial. Of course, I will change to tutorial later on. Now, you will be wondering why I asked you to put that in path. Okay, now coming back to this, if I not added the Python to the path, won't have displayed this thing, the version of Python, because it won't be there in it would be saying that Python is not written as internal command. That's why I say just add it to party. But do not leave any extra spaces. Just what we call precautions to not getting into error or future consequences like that. Okay, so that's all for this video. The next video, I'm gonna start the basics of Python. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe to our channel.